Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to install FitGirl games. I show you guys how to do it. Before opening the setup folder, you just need to check my video description for this video link. Watch this video first to download the game correctly and avoid setup errors. And then go to search menu and type Windows Security and click on open it. Select the virus and threat protection and select the manage settings under virus and threat protection settings. Turn off the real-time protection and then just minimize this page. Now open the setup folder, double click on the setup and select yes. Select the OK option. Select this music icon to mute the music. And if you have under 8 GB RAM, then check for this box guys, limit installer. And make sure nothing is running in the background and select next. And select next. Select this browse option and select the location where you want to save this game and select next. And select the install option. After the game installation done, open up the Windows security we minimized before and scroll down and select add or remove exclusions and select yes and select add an exclusion and select folder, and you just need to navigate to the game folder where you saved guys. I saved in C drive games and here is the game folder. Select it and select folder option, and now the game has been added to this list. Go back and turn on the real-time protection. After turning on, just to close stuff here and uncheck this option guys. So open this site and redirect to this site and select finish option. As you can see, all files are okay. There is no missing or bad files found. Let's to close stuff here and install the DirectX and Visual C++, and the game launched successfully guys. Select the start game option and the game open up without having any problem, and you will never face any game related problem guys. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.